Alright, boys. Let's get into it. Sorry, I've come down with a little bit of whooping cough today. Looks like we're gonna attack first. I'm gonna go with Montagne. It's a bit of a, I don't know. It's weird. Sky. It's weird. Weird alien. Weird trap. Alien again. And then some kind of Serbian person. It doesn't deserve to live in this country. Alright, let's get into it, boys. Wow, looks like I drove my RC car into the wrong neighborhood. Oh, just before I died I saw some perps. Trying to check out the scene, I guess. Always remember, perps always come back to the scene. Sorry, a little bit of whooping cough. A lookalike. I have some kind of shield, some shit like that. Let's get into it, boys. Shit! Alright, looks like we died. And, shield not focused, but I was wrong. I'm never wrong. Listen. It's bad. Let's pipe in some music for this occasion. That should suffice. Oh, nice grenade, retard. Oh my god, just threw it right against the wall. What an asshole. this cunt only has 16 health, but no shields, so he's gonna contribute nothing at the end of the round. I killed a guy, almost. Yeah, almost. But I'm the only one with an assist on the team, so I'm better. Better than you. Let's get into it. Oh! Shit. That shit. Okay, so we gotta put down some fucking, you know, I don't know. Let's do it here. Yeah, let's trick them out. Mess with their minds. Alright, we're getting into it. We're gonna beef this place up. Shot somebody's RPG drone. Epic win. Alright, let's get into it. Epic. I thought they had like cool shit in there. It's nothing. There's nothing. No treasure to be had. No money. It's stupid. Alright, do the classic zigzag to avoid their attacks. And then we're gonna do that. And then emergency. Okay, done it? Oh. What an asshole. Goes down the fucking C4 and it just gets shot. What an idiot. How could somebody be so stupid? Oh, okay. Well, some viewers might be saying I'm stupid for just jumping out there, but it's called courage. Maybe you should get some haters. Now let's get into it. Oh, epic! Look at this right here. If we look right here, we see some vampire paintings. Oh! And shown on the floor. Look like some Melvins lived 1,000 years ago. And let's get into it. Then let's act like a pro. Like switch really fast like this. So I make a montage eventually and it'll look like I'm doing something. Now let's go in here. Epic. Okay. Going in for the kill. Can you do it? Yes, he did. Even though that guy had a shield, it's bullshit. That guy should have lived. Oh, I see now. There's a guy coming from the side. Well, this may be our last round here in this game. So, before the round ends, I hope you all enjoyed, and let's get into it.